Do you know that you can eat to satisfy your hunger while losing weight? The obesity epidemic is growing globally, with over 300 million of the more than 1 billion overweight adults classified as obese. This is largely due to diets rich in energy-dense foods that are high in fats and sugars but lacking in fiber, combined with a decrease in physical activity. However, there's a simple and sustainable approach to weight loss that doesn't involve restricting the quantity of food you eat, but rather focusing on the quality. Choosing the right kinds of foods is crucial. Whole plant foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds are ideal. These foods are low in calories yet rich in nutrients and fiber, which means they fill you up faster and keep you full longer, helping to reduce overall calorie intake without feeling deprived. By incorporating these plant-based foods into your diet, you not only manage your weight effectively, but also enhance your overall health. These foods help in preventing diseases by providing essential nutrients and improving digestion thanks to their high fiber content. To make the most of this healthy eating plan, complement it with regular physical activity. This combination not only aids in weight loss, but also promotes a healthier, more energetic lifestyle. So yes, you can enjoy eating and still lose weight by making smart food choices and staying active. Obesity arises when the calories we consume surpass what our bodies expend for physical activities and basic physiological functions. Excess calories are then stored as body fat. To put it into perspective, accumulating an extra 3,500 calories can lead to a weight gain of about half a kilogram. Consider this: just adding an extra tablespoon of oil to your meals each day, which is roughly over 100 calories, could result in gaining up to 4 kilograms of fat in a year. However, the key to successful weight management isn't necessarily eating less food, but eating smarter by choosing lower-calorie options. Focus on filling up your plate with whole plant foods like tubers, potatoes, yams and squash, as well as a variety of beans, lentils and peas and seeds like chia seeds, flax seeds and almonds. These foods are not only nutritious and filling, but also low in calories. Fresh fruits should also be a staple in your diet, providing essential vitamins and fibers while keeping calorie counts down. On the other hand, it's advisable to reduce your intake of refined, processed foods, which are typically high in calories and low in nutritional value. Meats and rich dairy products, though nutrient-rich, contain high levels of fats and very little fiber, contributing significantly to calorie intake. For instance, meats and cheeses can contain 60 to 80% fat, making them foods to consume more sparingly if weight loss is your goal. By focusing on natural, fiber-rich foods and limiting high-calorie processed items, you can enjoy satisfying meals while effectively managing your weight. Staying hydrated is essential. Aim to drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily, reserving sugary, carbonated beverages for special occasions only. This simple change not only helps in maintaining optimal bodily function, but also aids in managing weight by reducing unnecessary calorie intake. Incorporate daily physical activity into your routine. Brisk walking is an excellent start. Persist until you can comfortably walk for 30 to 40 minutes without feeling fatigued or short of breath. This not only boosts your stamina, but also enhances your cardiovascular health. Be mindful during moments of weakness. Avoid stocking up on foods that tempt you to stray from your healthy eating goals. When boredom, frustration, or loneliness strike, opt for healthier alternatives like going for a walk, hydrating yourself, engaging in a good read, or calling a supportive friend. Alternatively, indulge in natural, wholesome snacks such as oranges, mangoes, papaya, pineapple, bananas, or carrots. These not only satisfy your hunger, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Continuously educate yourself about nutrition and health. Understanding the specific benefits of different foods and how they affect your body can inspire you to make informed and beneficial dietary choices. Use reputable sources and perhaps consult with a nutritionist to expand your knowledge base. By following these, you'll not only be able to lose weight, but also maintain a healthy weight for the long term. Each step is designed to be a manageable part of a holistic approach to eating healthier and living better. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about gaining health. It's time to move away from frustrating and restrictive diets that leave you dissatisfied and hungry for more. Adopt a lifestyle that reshapes your eating habits into a sustainable, healthful pattern. By choosing nutrient-rich foods and staying active, you can enjoy eating more while still losing weight, potentially 0.5 to 1 kilogram per week. This approach promotes a healthier, more fulfilling way of life that can last a lifetime. Thank you for tuning in to Organic Foods Ghana. Remember to hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content on leading a healthier lifestyle. Let's embark on this journey of transformation together and enhance our lives for the better.